Hello everyone! So you equip your workshop with a charger and booster machine like this. Don't forget about safety, because safety is the first. When using charger, use always safety glasses, because battery can have internal damage and can accidentally explode during charging. All these three machines are very same in use, but they have different power. Difference only in power. If you have small cars only, you can easily buy the machine with less power. So you will be able to start the machine easily. You don't need the extra power that some cars are required. But if you have trucks or big trucks, you have to buy the machine with a higher power range. We can offer for you the machine to save money and machine that can boost even big truck. But the controls are pretty the same. All these machines have only two knobs to set the charging power and one mode for boosting the car. So I will explain you how to use the machine, and you will use any of this model. I will show you how to use these machines on WSB540, but you can use also 360 and 800 with the same principles. Two knobs, 7 modes and timer. We have 3 cables in the set with the machine. One is a cable for plugging into the socket. Secondly, plus wire to connect to plus 12 volts or 24 volts connectors. And the last one is minus wire that is connected to the machine constantly, and you don't have to perform any connection. I will show you how to switch on this machine properly. First of all, we need to connect this machine to battery properly. For this, we have to choose a connection point for the plus wire. We have to choose 24 or 12 volts. We have usual battery. This is why we're choosing 12 volts terminal. The connection have been done only by hand power. Don't use pliers or any other tools. This enough. Make sure that the wire is secure. To connect battery for charging, it have to be removed from the car, because you cannot charge the battery when it is installed and connected to the car power network. So we remove battery and we are connecting. We are taking minus clamp, and minus clamp usually black color, and we have to connect to battery minus. Plus terminal usually red color, so we are connecting red clamp to the plus terminal. Battery is connected. We are ready to plug in the machine into the socket. We are ready to charge the battery. This machine have 7 modes, 6 charging modes and 1 boosting mode. Now we want to charge the battery, so we will choose one of these modes. What is the difference between of them? Higher the digit, the higher is charging current. So, number 1. You see, the arrow is showing only small power. Number 2, and the arrow is little bit higher. But the movement of the arrow is very small, because battery is taking only 10% of its capacity for charging. It is usually 6-7 amperes. We turn on number 3, and it is little higher. Number 4, and we see nothing is working. Why? Because 4, 5, and 6 is for extremely high current mode. It is working only with timer. You see, even clocks draw near these numbers. So we leaving mode number 4, and we have to turn on the timer to start the time. You see, arrow moved, and number 4 is high current charging. Number 5 and number 6 is the highest current possible. we heard the signal, and it means charging is over. You see, current is 0. So we should not be afraid of the battery will be overcharged and explode. Now we can switch off to 0 and machine will be off. Now you have idea how to charge the battery, but how to boost the car? Let's go, I will show you. Okay, you want not to charge battery, but to boost the car, to start the engine. For this, you have to leave battery connected. It's not charging when you have to disconnect battery and remove from the car. When you boosting the car, you have to leave it connected. So again, we are taking our plus and minus clamps, and we are connected. Let's connect our clamps to the battery terminals. Again, plus one is a red one, so we are taking red clamp and connect to the battery. And we are taking black one, minus cable, and connect to the minus. Battery is ready to be boosted and car is ready to be started. To boost the car, we have to switch on the boost mode. When we will switch on, extremely high current will go to the battery. We have to wait for around 3-4 seconds and after that start the car. Let's do it. Switch on the boosting mode. You see, extremely high current. Immediately after car is started, you have to switch off the device because extremely high current go into battery and can damage it. After you successfully start the engine and you turn off the device, as you see current is 0, we can remove the terminals. Please be sure not to touch the terminal body of the car. And after that, our work is completed. Now you know how to charge the battery, how to boost the battery, and I hope using professional equipment will bring a lot of joy to you. Good luck!